he had a little energy to burn off, so many hours he's been in the truck today, letting him out, letting him go with the big dogs. I'm telling you, this is the second pup I got. It goes back to Hook. He's not directly off of Hook, but the confidence I've seen in these puppies, I like what I see. He's been using that nose ever since we left the house. I had him on leash to start with, but he wanted to run with the big dog, so I cut him off. And we just let him stretch his legs. He's taking a shine to old Matilda there. Come on, baby girl. Yeah, she seems to be the one he's taken to the quickest. Trying to get a rock. Ain't nothing better than this to me. This is probably boring to most of y'all though, so I'm gonna cut this off and enjoy my time with the new one. What you got, little fella? Huh? Y'all have a blessed one.